Welcome back, guys. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1965 Corvette. This is a 4-speed car. Somebody put a 350 in it. It's got a great sound to it, side pipes. This is gonna be an excellent driver. Only thing this car needs, fresh coat of paint. Let's take it down the road. Getting ready to take off here. The door panel on this car looks nice. The dash is clean. Console looks nice and clean as well. I'm gonna try some stuff out. Put her in neutral. I'm not gonna touch the gas. Starts right up. This car's been very easy to start. Oil pressure, it's been sitting here idling for a while. So at 180, oil pressure's at 30. The clock works. RPMs work. I bet you the speedo works. We haven't checked that yet. We got to get on down the road. It's showing 74,000 miles. Gas gauge is right at right below a quarter, so we'll probably stop and get some. Do you think the horn works? If it does, go ahead and take the pole up top. You can try it out. Try the wipers out real quick. They take a second to work. They do work. Probably if I helped them. Well, I didn't have to, but. And they work fast when they cut on. Radio, I can hear it popping, a little fuzz in the background. The fan, the blower motor is cutting on, so. Let's take off. We're gonna take off here. I can feel the humidity coming back to Tennessee right now. It has definitely been humid the last day or so. Anything that I see that may be wrong with this car, I will let you know. Let's see if our parking brake works. It does. Cool. Checking our brakes before we pull out. The power steering's feeling nice and smooth. If I'd have really got on this car, we'd have dusted it, but we'd have ran into that guy too. Speedo's coming up. This thing feels awesome. Plenty of acceleration. Love the way it sounds. When I hit the brakes though, it's pulling me to the left a little bit. Look at that. Could be some dirty, dusty brakes. I'll let you know if that fades away. Guys, if you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. I post videos like this every single day. So. We're gonna pull up in the gas station, put about $20 worth of premium fuel in this car, and continue this test drive. The brakes feel good, steering's nice and tight, the clutch is great, going into gear easily. All the gauges are coming up, gas gauge is going down. This car's pretty sweet. Gas tank's right here in the back. You can actually see down in it too. So that's pretty cool. We'll let it get up to 20 bucks and we'll check the gas gauge again. So our gas gauge is over here. Turn it on. Got her climb. Gas gauge is working. y'all back set up. We're gonna head on back towards the lot now. This car has been great so far. This thing's a great driver. Brakes are still pulling a little bit to the left. This one does have 4-wheel disc brakes on it. Pulling to the left or the right while we're driving down the road. It's just when you tap the brakes, it pulls to the left like that. If you're hanging onto the steering wheel, you'll be fine. Turn signals are popping up on the dash on both sides. From what I could tell during the walk around video, all the lights worked on the outside. Open that motor up, man, it sounds good. Pulling on back into the lot now. Well, somebody blocked the lot up. Try to get around him. We barely missed that car. Do appreciate y'all watching. We're about to get some more cars out for test drives here in just a moment. I got to get the Chevelle out and the 55. Gonna take them down the road and check them out as well. If you like my videos, hit that subscribe button. Post them every single day. You can check out maplemotors.com, get close to 100 detailed pictures, financing information, and we can ship these cars all over the US. If you don't mind, check out the walk around video on this. It's going to be located at the bottom right of your screen here in just a moment. Do appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again, guys.